Sanibonani guys, welcome back to yet another video. And guys, we are speaking about the latest episode of Isencane Lengane. Imagine guys saving yourself, and I'm putting the word saving in inverted commas. Imagine saving yourself your whole life, you guys, only to be married or only to meet a man like Siyacela. Able guys ngafa fi. Imagine ke uThando is out here saying ukuthi na I'm proud of myself ngiyaziqhenya ngami, but the only thing is that I'm dating a stupid man. I'm just like, guys, I am so tired of hearing one and the same thing. There are people that are saying ukuthi the show must be cancelled. There are people that are like uSiyacela Delela. Yo guys, I am so over that. I am so over getting tired on behalf of uThando, because at this point I just watch and I just laugh because I'm just like, bo. Like I've been trying to defend, I've been trying to speak for Uthando throughout these seasons. I'm just like, at this point, Thando, I'm tired. As she said on the podcast herself, guys, ukuthi she's not going to listen to the public telling her ukuthi yena akashiyumshado wakhe. She's going to leave Merathanda. So on this latest episode, this latest episode was about one thing. uSiyacela ufuna ukuya emhlangeni, uThando doesn't want him to go emhlangeni. Now I don't get the point ukuthi why was Thando making this such a big issue? And that's why I'm just like, uThando's not over this man. No, guys. uThando is very much still in love with uSiyacela, because I don't see why if you're not in love with someone, why would you still get worked up over the fact that Uyemhlangeni is going to see other girls? Like, why would you get worked up over that? But anyway, uThando says ukuthi the reason why yena she doesn't want uSiyacela ukuthi aye emhlangeni is because her and uSiyacela had an agreement. They had an agreement ukuthi uSiyacela will only go emhlangeni once he has built a house for her. Now guys, there's no house that has been built. They got uSiyacela. He is adamant ukuthi uye emhlangeni. Guys, he's going there to pick a virgin for himself. Uthi uSiyacela ufuna and you guys imagine. I'm just like, do these virgins know ukuthi uSiyacela, when he looks at them, he's not looking at human beings that he wants to love. He's just looking and identifying them according to their private parts. Imagine that, guys. So anyway, uSiyacela is adamant ukuthi uyahamba yena. That time, guys, uSiyacela, he looks like ngathi he did not bath. If I'm not mistaken, I heard uThando saying ukuthi lo muntu akagezile. I've been begging him to bath. I've been begging him ukuthi ashintshe ibhulukwe, or he must change his clothes. He doesn't want, guys. He looks ngathi unepapalaza. He looks like he didn't bath. That time neskipa that ashgogile siveza umkhabi ngathi sincane. His pants that he's wearing, umsinsila ngalana, is showing. I'm just like, this guy, does he have any respect for us as the public? Because at least make some effort that you're going to be on TV, uskezele, like bought for us and make some sort of impression. USiyacela like he doesn't care, you guys. He doesn't care. And in his mind, it's for me, guys, if there's something that you're making money out of, respect it enough to put the effort in it. But uSiyacela like he doesn't care. It's like vele bayanthanda abantu basemzansi, and vele maybe there's a truth in there, guys, because do we not still watch the show? How many seasons have you been saying ukuthi cancel, but it keeps coming back? And I have a feeling, not a feeling, but in my mind, it just makes sense. The reason why something will keep coming back is because the views are there. If the views are not there, why would they keep airing such nonsense? Anyway, guys, uThando, they're getting mad with Siyacela. I'm just like, uThando, guys, I feel like uThando at this point, uThando acts like she doesn't love uSiyacela, and I feel like she's just full of talk. But I don't see uThando living there anytime soon. uThando's those type of people, guys. Ungakhuluma nabo ucabanga ukuthi hayi babzwile. They will agree with everything you're saying, and in nkulumo yabo, like you can tell ukuthi they understand themselves. But when it comes to doing the decision making, it's a different story. Now I'm not gonna judge her for that, guys, because it's not easy to leave such situations, especially emakhaya. There is still the notion, guys, of being a return soldier. Like there's embarrassment with that. It's not like ekasi. So I'm giving her a bit of grace with that, but I'm just like, girl, just admit you to samthandukai, and that's why you are still here. Because I'm just like, why would you get mad? Like if it was me and I didn't love a guy anymore, like go and pick another wife and do whatever you want to with your life, like as long as like ungekho nje eduzane kwami. So anyway, she can see uthando, she can see ukuthi she's not winning in this kule nkulumo yakhe noSiyaxele. She gets up, she decides to go to the Dlamuka wives. She goes there, she's telling them ukuthi, hey, phela uSiyaxele, he is forcing ukuthi I am hlangeni, and mina ke I am saying ukuthi angayi. I'm just like, I don't understand uthando, guys. Honestly, the way she's even speaking to these women, Baba Dlamuka, I'm just like, Thando, are you a wife? Are you a makoti in this yard? Or are you like, what are you? Because I'm just like, the way Uthando speaks, it's as if she calls the shots. Now, guys, I get it. Ukuthi the Dlamuka wives, ukuthi vele, they are not for Uthando, the majority of them. But I'm just like, I Thando, like the way for me, the way she was speaking was coming off as a person that's like vele, I don't respect you guys. Not that I don't respect you guys, but I don't know how to explain it, you guys. But it was just giving me vibes of, it's not Ingane speaking to Umawayo. Do you understand what I'm saying? It's almost as Ingane speaking to Intagayayo, because I am thinking, if you are a Makoti and you're going to address a matter, there's a respectful way of speaking. Aibo Thando is standing again with her hands on her hips, and she's busy telling them, agayi uSiyaxele lapho, usho mina. Aibo, I'm just like, Aibo Thando, and I can't blame her, because at the same time, these women have not stood up and did the right thing. So the thing is, as an adult, if you don't do the right thing, and again, they will end up disrespecting you and speaking to you anyhow, because there's nothing that you're doing to show the difference between you and them. Anyway, guys, the Dlamuka wives, or at least two of the Dlamuka wives, were saying, "Wuthi Siyaxele, lento yokushada wakhe or taking a second wife, ayikho. How is he going to provide for those women? Kusho mamkhulu ukuthi, how is he going to provide for those women?" But there was one wife, guys, the light in complexion one, uMashange. Yo, guys, that woman was basically saying, "What you know, Siyaxele vele, he's going to pick a wife and whatnot. He must do that. It's his right and whatnot." I'm just like, one thing I don't get. Siyaxele said, "Ukuthi akazwani no Mashange." So why would uMashange? Because every time uMashange, she will speak in a sense as if she's on Siyaxele's side, ne? And it confuses me, because I'm like, why would she do that when yena beno Siyaxele abazwani and they've never got along, or it seems like they've never got along. And it came to my head, ukuthi no man, kusho ukuthi uyayazi into ayenzayo. You know, other people, guys, they can strategize. They know ukuthi vele awunangqondo. So they're going to agree with anything you're saying, because they know that thing that you're saying is going to destroy you. So it comes off as if she's on Siyaxele's side, but actually, if she's analyzed the situation well enough, she is assisting Siyaxele to destroy himself, because she knows ukuthi vele akanangqondo, the decisions he's making are zinangqondo, so it's going to destroy him. And I'm like, oh, finally, I see your strategy, because it didn't, like, it did not click to me. Why would you say you don't get along, or why would it be evident that you don't get along with a person, but you're saying things that seem as if you are supporting him? Umashange, she doesn't love uSiyaxele benothando, because the things she agrees with, I'm just like, no man. Anyway, uSiyaxele, guys, ubani, he decides ukuthi he's going, and he goes emlangeni, emhlangeni. He goes there. Listen, amachiche bazibonela celebrity, guys. They are jumping on uSiyaxele. They are recording. I'm just like, hey, if I was a mother of one of these children, I would be so embarrassed, you guys. They are jumping on him. They're taking videos. They're taking pictures. And uThando said, I don't want you to take pictures there. Angifuni ukuthi uye laphayana, because you take pictures of people and then they circulate on social media. I'm just like, Thando, please. That time uSiyaxele said ukuthi uThando uyangithanda. Even if ngadunusa lana, she'd kiss my butt. I'm like, hey, bo, guys, imagine a man being so confident of himself. I'm just like, but where's the, like, is there any lies in what he's saying? Hi guys, veke amacici they busy usiyacela shame the way plan yakhe did not go well because the way those children were jumping on him, excited for him, hugging him, he could not even like choose well or see well who could be potential girlfriend number two. But anyway, there's one girl that he does take her number or she takes his number. I don't know, Umazungu. And Usiatala's just like, no, I'm fine with one. The brothers are busy encouraging him. Would you know, take numbers of 5 girls so that you can. And Usiatala's like, no. I'm just like, Usiatala, guys, ukhathele already. Ulentanga kuyo. I'm just like, smell his tempulona. I doubt you guys. Anyway, Utando in her diary session, she's like, Aibo, mina nje, I just have a message for Amacici. Uyazibonela ukuthi abanye bethu sizama ukuphuma lana wena usafuna ungena kodwa angifuni ukubukeka ngathi nginomona mina so if ufuna uba sisigqila sakwadlamuka come mvume mkhawame usiyacela come in and uzozibonela. I'm just like, Thando, what do you mean isigqila sakwadlamuka? Yo, Uthando at this point, guys, she has zero respect for the Dlamugas. The past season she would try to cover that Dlamugas, speak well of them. This season she's just like, you know what? I'm just like, guys, what's happening in this show Uthando Nesthembu? People are wilding it. People don't care about who thinks what. Even Galana Uthando, she doesn't care about her in-laws, what they think of her. She's just speaking anyhow. I'm just like, good tense, guys. Hi, bo. Good tense. I'm just like, guys, Uthando, shame. Let's all be done. Let's just make up our minds. We are no longer going to defend Uthando. She's going to do things according to her own pace, in her own timing, because clearly she's listened to us. I mean, there's so many people who speak to Uthando, but listen, Uthando has made up her mind. Uzophuma yena makuthanda yena. Anyway, guys, let's park it right there because that's the recap of the latest episode. You tell me your thoughts on it. Please do make sure you like the video. Please do subscribe. It is absolutely for free of charge. Guys, please do make sure you watch the ads. That is just your way of showing support towards the channel. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one.